climb it like Tarzan. Yell something so it goes off.
Ah!
That totally didn't work. Ah? What the shit was that? You have to yell something like
if I clap.
magic or something.
Magic!
See, now he's all like, there's something else interesting down here. Do it again. No. Oh no, he's gonna come get the string.
Magic? Magic.
No, like
Magic!
Hi, Bolin. Bolin, are you magic? Magic.